What if I told you that while you're sleeping tonight, an AI assistant could be making you money? Not pennies, not pocket change, but real income that could transform your financial future. Stay with me because what I'm about to reveal will completely change how you think about earning online. Right now, millions of people are struggling in the traditional job market. They're trading time for money, stuck in the endless cycle of working harder just to stay afloat. But here's the thing that most people don't realize. We're living through the biggest wealth redistribution in human history, and it's happening right now through artificial intelligence. The early adopters who understand this shift are already positioning themselves to capture massive opportunities. While others are worried about AI taking their jobs, smart entrepreneurs are using AI to create multiple income streams that work around the clock. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to join their ranks. My name is Alex, and over the past 18 months, I've helped over 3,000 people implement AI-driven virtual assistants to generate consistent online income. Some of my students have gone from $0 to $5,000 per month in just 90 days. Others have scaled to 6 figures annually. And the best part? They're doing it with systems that require minimal ongoing effort once properly set up. But before we dive into the specific strategies, let me ask you something. How much time do you spend each day on repetitive tasks that could be automated? How many hours do you waste on activities that don't directly contribute to your income? If you're like most people, the answer is probably several hours daily. That's time and energy you could be redirecting toward building wealth. The revolution we're experiencing isn't just about having a chatbot answer questions. We're talking about sophisticated AI systems that can research markets, create content, manage social media, handle customer service, process data, and even make strategic decisions. These aren't science fiction fantasies, these are tools available right now and they're becoming more powerful every single day. Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and checking your phone to see notifications showing that your AI assistant has secured 3 new clients while you slept. It responded to inquiries, scheduled consultations, and even processed initial payments. Meanwhile, another AI system was creating and posting content across your social media platforms, engaging with your audience, and building your personal brand. A third system was analyzing market trends and identifying profitable opportunities for your next business venture. This isn't a distant future scenario. This is happening right now for people who understand how to harness these technologies effectively. And the gap between those who get it and those who don't is widening every single day. The first major opportunity lies in AI-powered content creation services. Content is the backbone of the digital economy, but creating quality content consistently is one of the biggest challenges businesses face. This is where you come in with your AI assistant army. Here's how this works in practice. You identify businesses and entrepreneurs who need regular content, but lack the time or expertise to create it themselves. These could be coaches, consultants, e-commerce store owners, real estate agents, or local service providers. The demand is absolutely massive because every business needs content to stay relevant in today's market. Your AI assistant becomes your content creation powerhouse. It can research trending topics in any niche, analyze competitor content, generate original articles, create social media posts, design graphics, and even produce video scripts. But here's the key. You're not just offering AI-generated content. You're providing a complete content strategy service that happens to be powered by AI. The beauty of this approach is scalability. Once you've set up your systems and processes, you can serve multiple clients simultaneously without proportionally increasing your workload. While traditional content creators are limited by their personal time and energy, you're leveraging AI to break through those constraints. I know someone who started with just 2 clients paying $300 per month each for content services. Within 6 months, she was serving 20 clients and generating $12,000 monthly. Her secret wasn't working 20 times harder. Her secret was systematizing her AI workflows and delivering consistent value. But content creation is just the beginning. The second major opportunity involves AI-powered research and analysis services. In our information-saturated world, businesses are drowning in data but starving for insights. They need someone who can cut through the noise and provide actionable intelligence. Your AI assistant can process vast amounts of information in minutes, identify patterns, generate reports, and present findings in clear, actionable formats. This could involve market research, competitor analysis, trend identification, customer sentiment analysis, or investment research. The possibilities are virtually endless. Consider the consulting opportunities this creates. Instead of spending weeks manually researching an industry, your AI can compile comprehensive reports in hours. You can offer market entry strategies, competitive positioning advice, or growth opportunities analysis. Clients will pay premium rates for insights that would traditionally require teams of analysts. The third opportunity revolves around AI-powered customer service and support systems. Every business with an online presence needs customer support, but hiring and training human support staff is expensive and time-consuming. This creates a perfect opportunity for AI-driven solutions. You can offer businesses complete customer service packages powered by AI assistants that handle inquiries, process orders, manage appointments, and resolve common issues. The AI never sleeps, never takes breaks, and can handle multiple conversations simultaneously. For businesses, this means better customer satisfaction and lower operational costs. The key to success in this space is training your AI systems to understand specific business contexts and customer needs. This isn't about deploying generic chatbots, it's about creating sophisticated systems that can handle complex interactions and provide genuine value to customers. Now let's talk about the fourth opportunity, AI-powered social media management. Social media marketing is essential for businesses, but managing multiple platforms consistently is incredibly time-consuming. Most business owners either neglect their social media or spend hours daily trying to maintain their presence. Your AI assistant can become a complete social media management solution. It can create platform-specific content, schedule posts for optimal engagement times, respond to comments and messages, analyze performance metrics, and adjust strategies based on results. You're essentially offering businesses a full-time social media manager at a fraction of the cost. The financial potential here is substantial. Social media management services typically command between $500 to $3,000 per month per client, depending on the scope and complexity. With AI handling the heavy lifting, you can serve multiple clients profitably. But here's where it gets really interesting. The fifth opportunity involves creating AI-powered digital products and courses. Instead of just offering services, you can package your AI expertise into scalable products that generate passive income. Think about it this way. You've learned how to effectively use AI tools for various business applications. That knowledge itself is valuable. You can create courses teaching others how to implement AI solutions, develop AI-powered software tools, or build membership sites around AI automation strategies. The beautiful thing about digital products is that you create them once, but they can generate income indefinitely. Your AI assistant can even help with the creation process, developing course content, marketing materials, and customer support systems. One of my students created a course teaching small business owners how to use AI for content creation. He priced it at $497 and sold over 200 copies in his first year. That's nearly $100,000 from a single digital product, with ongoing sales continuing to generate revenue. The sixth opportunity focuses on AI-powered e-commerce optimization. Online stores are constantly looking for ways to improve their conversion rates, reduce cart abandonment, and increase customer lifetime value. AI can analyze customer behavior, optimize product descriptions, personalize shopping experiences, and automate email marketing campaigns. You can offer e-commerce businesses comprehensive optimization services powered by AI analysis. This might include A/B testing different product descriptions, analyzing customer journey data, optimizing pricing strategies, or creating personalized marketing campaigns. The potential for improving business results is enormous, which means clients are willing to pay premium rates for these services. Now let's discuss the seventh opportunity, AI-powered lead generation and sales automation. Every business needs a steady stream of qualified leads, but traditional lead generation methods are becoming less effective and more expensive. AI can revolutionize this process by identifying potential customers, personalizing outreach messages, and automating follow-up sequences. Your AI assistant can scrape public data, identify potential clients based on specific criteria, craft personalized outreach messages, and manage entire sales funnels. This isn't about sending spam emails, it's about creating sophisticated systems that provide genuine value to potential customers while building relationships. The beauty of AI-powered lead generation is its scalability and precision. While human sales teams are limited by time and energy, AI systems can process thousands of potential leads simultaneously. personalizing each interaction based on available data. But here's something crucial that many people miss. The real money isn't just in offering these services individually. The real opportunity lies in combining multiple AI capabilities to create comprehensive business solutions. Instead of just offering content creation or lead generation, you become a complete AI-powered business development partner. Imagine offering a package that includes content creation, social media management, lead generation, customer service, and performance analytics, all powered by AI systems. You're not just providing individual services, you're delivering complete business transformation. Clients will pay premium rates for this level of comprehensive support. The eighth opportunity involves AI-powered investment and trading analysis. Financial markets generate enormous amounts of data every second, and AI excels at processing this information to identify patterns and opportunities. You can offer investment research services, create trading algorithms, or develop financial planning tools powered by AI analysis. This doesn't mean you need to be a financial expert. Your role is to leverage AI tools to process and analyze financial data, then present findings in accessible formats. Many investors and traders are looking for data-driven insights to inform their decisions, and AI can provide analysis that would be impossible for humans to perform manually. The ninth opportunity focuses on AI-powered personal branding and reputation management. In today's digital world, personal and business reputations are crucial for success. AI can monitor online mentions, analyze sentiment, create reputation management strategies, and even generate content to improve public perception. This service is particularly valuable for high-profile individuals, executives, and businesses operating in competitive markets. The cost of reputation damage can be enormous, so businesses are willing to invest significantly in protection and enhancement services. Let me share a success story that illustrates the potential of these opportunities. Sarah was a marketing professional who lost her job during the pandemic. Instead of looking for another traditional employment opportunity, she decided to explore AI-powered services. She started by offering content creation services to 3 local businesses, charging $200 per month each. Within 3 months, she had expanded to social media management and lead generation services. Her monthly revenue grew to $4,000. By month 6, she was offering complete AI-powered marketing solutions and earning over $10,000 monthly. Today, just 2 years later, she runs a 6-figure business with a team of virtual assistants and serves clients across multiple industries. Sarah's success wasn't about having special technical skills or connections. It was about recognizing the opportunity, taking action, and systematically building her capabilities. She started small, proved the concept, and then scaled systematically. But let's be realistic about the challenges you'll face. The AI landscape is evolving rapidly, which means continuous learning is essential. Tools and platforms are constantly improving, and new opportunities are emerging regularly. You need to stay current with developments and continuously adapt your strategies. There's also the challenge of competition. As more people recognize these opportunities, the market becomes more competitive. However, this actually works in your favor if you position yourself correctly. Instead of competing on price, you compete on value, results, and expertise. The key to long-term success is building systems and processes that differentiate you from competitors. This might involve developing proprietary AI workflows, creating unique service combinations, or specializing in specific industries or niches. Another challenge is managing client expectations. AI is powerful, but it's not magic. Clients need to understand what AI can and cannot do, and you need to set realistic expectations about timelines and results. Clear communication and proper expectation management are crucial for client satisfaction and retention. Let's talk about getting started practically. You don't need massive investment or technical expertise to begin. Most AI tools offer user-friendly interfaces and comprehensive documentation. You can start with free or low-cost tools and upgrade as your business grows. The most important step is choosing your initial focus area. Don't try to offer everything immediately. Pick 1 or 2 services that align with your existing skills and interests, then expand gradually as you gain experience and confidence. For content creation services, start by mastering 1 or 2 AI writing tools. Learn how to create effective prompts, understand the tool's capabilities and limitations, and develop quality control processes. Practice with different content types and industries until you can consistently deliver high-quality results. If you're interested in social media management, Focus on understanding platform-specific requirements and audience behaviors. Learn how to use AI tools for content creation, scheduling, and analytics. Develop templates and workflows that can be replicated across multiple clients. For lead generation services, start by understanding your target industries and ideal customer profiles. Learn how to use AI tools for prospect research, message personalization, and campaign management. Develop tracking systems to measure results and optimize performance. The key to rapid progress is treating this as a real business from day one. Create professional proposals, establish clear pricing structures, and implement proper project management systems. Even if you're starting small, operating professionally will accelerate your growth and attract better clients. As you build your AI-powered business, remember that success comes from providing genuine value to your clients. AI is your tool, but understanding client needs, delivering results, and building relationships are what will drive long-term success. The opportunities I've outlined today represent just the beginning of what's possible with AI-driven virtual assistants. As these technologies continue to evolve, new opportunities will emerge, and existing applications will become more sophisticated. The question isn't whether AI will transform how we work and earn money. The question is whether you'll be part of the transformation or left behind by it. The choice is yours, but the window for early adoption advantages is closing rapidly. If you're ready to start building your AI-powered income streams, begin by selecting one opportunity that resonates with your skills and interests. Research the necessary tools, develop your capabilities, and start reaching out to potential clients. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and that step is available to you right now. Your future self will thank you for the action you take today. The AI revolution is happening with or without you, but with the right approach, you can position yourself to benefit enormously from the changes ahead.